Hello everyone. I wanted to solve a few from the very first page of the packet that I gave you for one-step equations. So let's look at number one here, number one. And these are our steps, right? Cross multiply, distribute, combine, separate, and solve. So number one, it doesn't look like a proportion, so we don't need to use that. There's no parentheses, so we don't need to distribute on number one. Combine like terms on each side. Well, he's by himself, and these two don't combine, so we don't have to do that. And then step four, separate letters and numbers. This is where we're going to pick this one up, because this is a number, this is a letter, and this is a number. So on this right side here, we have letters and numbers together, and that's not okay. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to separate, and I'm going to kind of say that this is the middle. I'm going to call this side my number side and this side my letter side. Okay, just because the numbers are already on that side. So if I look at these, the thing that's in the wrong place is the 6, right? And remember from step 4, the tools that we have are plus and minus only, okay? So this 6 is adding 6 to this side, it's making it bigger. So we're going to get rid of that by doing the opposite. Subtract 6. So 6 take away 6, 0. And that was our goal, right? And in order to keep the equalness, I guess, of this, we have to take away 6 from this side also. And we get 4 equals 2z, and then we're done. Cool? So that's one step where we had to do separate. This one can be done kind of the same, but instead of minus, you would do plus to get rid of that. But let's look at number 5. So here, r is being divided by 3. So again, it's not cross multiply, it's not distribute, there's nothing to combine, and actually we don't even have to separate here. You have r being divided by 3, so we have 1/3 of an r. So these are letters and these are numbers. So technically this is separated also, okay? So then we should use our step 5, which is our solve step. So in step 5, we said our tools would be multiply, divide, and square root, right? So because this is being divided, r is being divided by 3, we're going to do the opposite. Watch this. We're going to multiply by 3. Make sure you put them up there. So multiply by 3 cancels that divide by 3. And because we multiplied left by 3, we have to multiply the right by 3 also. So our answer here will be r equals 21. Cool. And then we are done. Let's do one more. I'm going to jump to number 9 down here. So in number 9 down here, again, we don't have to cross multiply. It doesn't look like a proportion. There's nothing to distribute. Combine, each of these terms are by themselves, so no need to combine. Separate, well, this is a number, and these are letters, right? So they're already separated. I know you see that 4, but that 4 really just represents C plus C plus C plus C plus C, 4 of those C's. So then we can move on to solve. So this 4 is multiplying the C because it's the coefficient. I like to put that dot right there so I can see the multiplication happening, and then I can do the opposite. So I'm going to divide by 4. 4 divided by 4, 1C. Divide this guy by 4, and here we get 6. So pretty much C equals 6 or 6 equals C. Cool? So that was a few examples of one-step linear equations, okay? Go ahead and finish the packet, and then I'm going to go ahead and add two-step linear equations, and I'll probably add a video at the same time because they're a little harder than these, okay? Thank you. Good luck. You have some work to do. See you in a bit. Bye.